Hey there, curious mind. Have you ever wondered why we yawn? Let's find out. Is it because we're sleepy, or maybe because we're bored? Not exactly. Yawning is our brain's way of cooling down. When we're tired, our brain heats up. Yawning helps bring in cool air to cool it down and make us feel more awake. Fun fact, you can even yawn when you're not tired. Sometimes it's just because you saw someone else yawn. It's called being contagious, just like a giggle. So next time you yawn, remember, your brain is just trying to stay cool and alert. Cool, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool facts. See you next time.